So in my mixing bowl, I already have 2 cups of heavy cream. So I'm going to use my hand mixer and I'm going to blend this, mix this until it gets to like nice stiff peaks. So here we go. So here's my cream after about, let's say about 3 minutes. Nice and stiff. Let me just give you a quick, at least you could see. Oh yeah, yeah baby, nice and stiff. So I'm gonna put this in the freezer while I continue with the rest of the process. So in another bit mixing bowl, I already have 14 ounces of condensed milk. So to this, I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. And I'm gonna add 1 cup of smooth peanut butter. Now I'm going to mix these ingredients together. Okay, so I'm done mixing these ingredients together. So I'm going to get the heavy cream that I blended up and making the whipped cream. I'm going to get that and basically pour half of it into here and mix it in to kind of loosen up this with the peanut butter and stuff, because it's kind of like stiff right now. Not really stiff in it, but kind of like heavy. It's kind of like, you see how it is, kind of a little stiff. So I'm going to put a bit of the whipping cream into that to kind of lighten it up and then add the rest of the whipping cream. So I'll be back. Okay, now that's done. I can feel it's a little more lighter now. It's not as heavy as before. So I'm going to fold in the balance of the whipped cream. Okay, so after I'm satisfied with that, everything is nicely blended in, I'm going to transfer this to a container with a seal tight cover, and I'm going to put the container in my freezer. I'm going to leave that there for overnight, let it get nice and firm. Okay, so here's my ice cream in a container. Just gonna shake it up a bit, let that kind of settle up a bit. I'm gonna cover this and put it in my freezer. Just to mention, I thought I would mention you could use the peanut butter with the nuts, the nuts in them, or you could even if you use the smooth peanut butter, you could sprinkle some peanuts in there to make it nice and chunky. You could do it different ways, but I prefer to I prefer to use the smooth peanut butter. So into the freezer this goes. Okay, so here's my ice cream after being in the fridge overnight. I already tried a bit just to see the texture. Look at that. Just perfect. Okay, so here's my peanut butter ice cream. Oh gosh, this thing is so good. This is so yummy. It's addictive. It's smooth. It's similar to those soft serve ice cream. I've made a few ice cream before. I think this is the best of it all. It's light. Did I say addictive? Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button. leave a comment for me and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Give us a try, guys. This is really, really good, easy to make, and it's not that sweet. You know, I don't like my stuff too sweet. It's just right for me. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.